Hello family, I am back and today we're gonna open the FabFitFun winter box for 2024. But before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Así que vamos! Winter is here and I am freezing my butt off, I swear. I was not made for the winter. My skin is just so itchy, but we are making it through with some goodies from FabFitFun. So first off, I got a cute belt. This is a Kate Spade belt. I saw it and I thought it looked so elegant and so nice. So I went ahead and grabbed it. Yes, it's valued at $58. So basically, just getting the belt alone covers for the whole value of the box. A ver, ¿qué más tenemos por aquí? Oh, makeup. Yep, I got these. They were actually a pair. I already opened them, full disclosure. So you get a pair of Tower 28 lip balms. They are both tinted in 2 different tones. So I'll just try one and one. One for the top of the lip and one for the bottom of the lip. Why not? I'm gonna do this on the top of the lip. Almost like a plum color. I got this device. You can use it to apply your face mask. It sculpts. I haven't tried it yet. Comes with a charger. So you can cleanse, sculpt, ion plus or ion minus, whatever that means. Guess I gotta charge it first, huh? Okay, so this is it. I just thought it would be cool to apply your face masks with. Synergistic benefits of 24K plus minus 1K vibrations. Oh, it vibrates. I also got this beauty sponge ornament. My beauty sponges are pretty disgusting. They're very dirty. I haven't cleaned them in a while. These are very soft, tan súper suavecitas. Y lo que me gustó, lo que me llamó la atención fue esta esponja. Like, I wanted one of these sponges. And it also comes with a brush cleaner, which God knows I need one because my brushes haven't been cleaned in, like, I can't remember the last time I cleaned them. So yeah, that we should probably. Oh, I got this under eye cream from Pericone MD. I feel like I've seen this brand. I haven't tried it before, or maybe I have, I just don't remember. But it looks very nice.